In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your whole house water filter. If you have well water, chances are you have a whole house water filter. Depending on the condition your water is in the well, you may have to change these every 6 months to a year. I changed this filter about a year ago and we've noticed our water is getting cloudy, so we figured it's time to change the filter. Looking at the condition of my filter, I'm going to have to change the filter a little bit sooner than a year. First thing you want to do is locate your filter. It should be located near the water softener. If you don't have a water softener, it'll probably be located next to the expansion tank. Next, you'll need a filter wrench. I leave mine hanging near the water filter. Next, turn the power off to the pump. I have a switch to turn the power off for my pump. If you don't have one of these, you'll have to locate the circuit breaker. Then locate your water shutoff valve and turn that off as well. As long as the pump is shut off, you shouldn't get any water into the system. However, I do it just for insurance purposes in case something happens. Next, find the pressure relief button and release the pressure in the filter. Now take the wrench and go from the bottom to the top and turn it counterclockwise. It might be a little easier for you to do this because I don't think you'll be holding a camera at the same time. Be careful when removing the filter housing so you don't drop it. Because the housing is full of water and the filter is dirty, it's going to have some weight to it and you don't want to drop it and crack the plastic. All you have to do to remove the filter is just pull it out of the housing. After a year, as you can see, it's quite dirty. Double check your new filter to the old one, make sure it's the same size. Empty the water from the filter housing. You can clean the filter canister out if you want. I don't find it necessary, and I just put the new filter in. The one thing you want to be careful of is to make sure the hole in the filter slides over the nozzle of the housing. Holding the camera and threading this back on was a little difficult, so it should be a little bit easier for you without a camera. Now take the wrench and tighten the housing. Don't over tighten, just tighten enough so the water doesn't leak out. If you over tighten it, you could crack the canister and you'll have to install a new one. Now you can turn the water back on. Then turn the pump back on. Make sure the filter's not leaking, and that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and click the bell icon. You can also check me out on Facebook. Until next time, thanks for watching.